Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the grid lines on the SONY A6400. So the first thing that we're going to do is press the menu button, and then we're going to go to the camera section number 2, so this purple section, and then we're going to go to the page number 6. Then we're going to select grid line. So here you have a few options. So you can either disable the grid lines or select any of these other options. So right now I have it disabled, and let's enable, for example, square grid. And now for return, it's not really visible on the camera, but there are some subtle grid lines. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.